Hi, Martha Farrell here from Poughkeepsie Public Library, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make an individualized coffee crumb cake in a ramekin. All you need is a 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of butter. When we make the topping, you will just need a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar, a tablespoon of the flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. The first thing we're going to do is make the cake in a medium-sized bowl. All you have to do is put in those ingredients I just listed, and they'll be printed below the YouTube video as well. Also, I forgot to mention the 1 1/2 tablespoons of butter has to be melted. So everything's in the bowl now, and I'm going to stir it up. You might have a few lumps, so a whisk is very helpful. Once you have that well blended, pour it into the ramekin. And now we'll move on to making the topping. Now in this bowl I have our crumb topping, which is a tablespoon of butter, slightly softened, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to blend that together with a fork until it gets to be a crumb-like texture. Alright, I think I've reached my crumb-like texture, and I'm going to put that on top of the cake batter. And then it goes into the microwave for 1 1/2 to 2 minutes. My microwave is 1000 watts, and I found it takes 2 minutes. And there you have it, your own individual crumb-topped cinnamon coffee cake, perfect for one person. Make sure you let it cool for a few minutes after it's done in the microwave.